Hey everyone, welcome back to the PassFab channel. If you've ever been locked out of your iPad because you forgot the passcode, don't panic. It happens to a lot of people, especially after a software update, or when you've been using Face ID or Touch ID for too long. Today, I'm going to show you 3 reliable ways to remove the iPad lock screen without a passcode, so you can get back into your iPad quickly and safely. Before we start, just a quick note. All these methods will erase your iPad's data, so if you have an iCloud or iTunes backup, you'll be able to restore everything afterward. Alright, let's jump right in. Method 1. Use the Forgot Passcode option on iPad. After multiple failed passcode attempts, your screen will show iPad unavailable. At the bottom right corner, you'll see Forgot Passcode. Tap it and then enter your Apple ID and password linked to the device. Follow the on-screen steps to erase and reset your iPad. Once it's done, your iPad will restart, and you can set it up again from scratch or from a backup. If the Forgot Passcode option doesn't appear, don't worry, try the next method. Method 2. Fix iPad unavailable with iTunes or Finder. If you can't use the Forgot Passcode option, you can reset your iPad using iTunes or Finder on your computer. First, connect your iPad to your computer with a USB cable. Then, put it into recovery mode. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally, hold the top button until you see the recovery mode screen. Once your iPad is detected in iTunes or Finder, choose Restore iPad. This will wipe your device and remove the lock screen passcode. When the process is complete, you can set up your iPad as new or restore from a previous backup. Method 3. Fix iPad unavailable with PassFab. If the first 2 methods don't work, or if you just want a faster, easier fix, PassFab iPhone Unlock is the most efficient tool to solve the iPad unavailable issue. Here's how it works. Download and launch PassFab iPhone Unlock on your computer. Connect your locked iPad using a USB cable. Choose Unlock EOS Screen, then click Start. Follow the on-screen steps to put your iPad into recovery mode. Once it's in recovery mode, PassFab iPhone Unlock will automatically download the latest iPadOS firmware. When the firmware is ready, click Start to remove. The software will begin removing the passcode, and within just a few minutes, your iPad will be completely unlocked. You can then set it up as new or restore it from your backup. This method is perfect for beginners. It's quick, reliable, and much simpler than using iTunes. And that's it. 3 easy and proven ways to remove the iPad lock screen without a passcode. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the PassFab channel, and let us know in the comments which method worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.